Visit Ford Country in the Valley Auto Mall today.
We are pleased to show you the 2016 Genesis. It wasn't named 2009 North American Car of the Year for nothing. Genesis combines luxury, performance, and engineering for one powerful and memorable driving experience. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes, voice-activated navigation system, airbags, driver, knee. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.
Visit Ford Country in the Valley Auto Mall today.